नई है ये चीज तो good. So in this chapter, the most interesting thing that we're gonna deal with is the timing thing. Yeah. Personally, A1 का सबसे interesting चीज अगर मुझे कुछ लगा है, that is two things. One is how do we talk about the timing? This is something I really liked in A1, and the second thing is कि हम past में कैसे बात करते हैं. These are the two things I liked the best of it in like in A1, and then rest we'll talk about it. Okay, so before yeah, यहाँ पे in page number you can see Fear und Funfisch and Funfisch 54 and 55. There are 5 pictures given here: A, B, C, D, E, F. So what do you have to do? You have to arrange them. Yeah. Some Beispiel, there are some certain sentences you can see here. Was marked Khan? Khan. तो अब Khan मतलब one person who is common. तो आपको क्या लगता है? Who is Khan in all the pictures? Who could be Khan? कौन हो सकता है?
Man in the green shirt.
The green shirt, right? So अब Khan क्या कर रहा है? That is our concern. तो यहाँ पे कुछ sentences है, and then you have some pictures. So you have to read the sentences and you have to order कि कौन सा sentence किस picture से match करता है. This is your work. Yeah. So obviously the sentences that you maybe there are some verbs that you don't know. There are some words that you don't know. But then guess या कैसे भी करके just try to read the sentence and then try to arrange it with the photos. Do it and then we'll proceed further and I'll tell you what to do here. Everybody understood what they need to do in here? They have to read the sentences. There are 7 sentences here and they need to arrange it with a picture. There are 7 pictures as well. Ja, so bitte machen Sie. Ich komme zurück in 2 Minuten.
Gemacht.
Gemacht? Super.
Ja, gemacht.
Ja, okay. Dann diskutieren wir. So. Okay. Samriddhi, lesen Sie Satz Nummer 1. Read read first question, first sentence and tell me which picture.
Can't get in the Mensa. B option.
B. Can't get in the Mensa. B. Okay. Everybody has written B here. Oder wir haben noch ein paar andere Antwort. Everybody has written B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see. Then für Nummer 1, we have made a picture Nummer B. Okay, then Nummer 2, Sana, bitte lesen Sie.
Yes, ma'am. Can't drift Mari. Matching and matches with picture number D.
Okay, picture Nummer D. Can't drift Maria, it's actually Maria, it's picture Nummer D. Okay, super. Then Ashwin, Nummer 3, bitte.
Fahrt in die Uni. F.
Er fährt in die Uni. That is F. Okay, richtig. Sehr gut. Then Revati, Nummer 4.
A.
Okay, lesen Sie den Satz as well. Read the sentence as well. How do we say kann duscht? Yeah, duscht. It is kann duscht. Okay, kann duscht. Das ist yeah, richtig. Okay, then Nummer 4, Funes. Noch einmal, Samriddhi.
Er lernt in der Bibliothek. G.
Er lernt in der Bibliothek. Okay, yeah, okay. Then noch einmal Sana. Lesen Sie Satz Nummer 6.
Besok sein. I think it matches with Nummer A.
Yeah, richtig. Okay. And then Nummer 7, Ashwin.
Say.
Okay. Sehr gut. Ja, super. So, jetzt, was machen wir? Wir lesen noch einmal den Satz und wir sehen uns, welche neue Verben wir haben hier. So, can geht in die, ja, Sana?
I did not understand the answer for 4th and 7th sentence.
I'll tell you. When I'll discuss the meanings, then it will be clear to you. Super, warum kann es das nicht hier bewegen? Ja, okay, richtig. Okay, so here, can geht in die Mensa. Mensa means canteen. Mensa is canteen. Gehen means to go. So can goes to the canteen. So that is Nummer. Zum Beispiel, what did you write? Say, I think, yeah. Or a bay. Yeah, so that is Mensa. Then can thrift Maria. Thrift is a word that comes from a verb which means treffen. Thrift means treffen. It is a third form of treffen. Treffen is a irregular verb, so obviously we don't follow up with the pattern. But then treffen means to meet somebody. Treffen, it's a verb. Treffen, to meet. Yeah. Then we have fährt in the Uni. Fahren means to ride or to drive. To ride or to drive. Uni means university. Uni, the short form में university को German वाले uni कहते हैं. ऐसे तो इसका पूरा नाम Universität होता है. But then a short form it is Uni. For people of Germany, it's Uni. Then duscht. Duschen means to take shower. Duschen, in German, it's a verb. It's a regular verb to take shower. So he is taking shower in the picture number A. That's why it is A, Sana. Right? Then lernt in der Bibliothek. Bibliothek means library. Der Bibliothek means library. Lernen means to learn. It's again a very regular verb. It's very easy verb. Lernen, to learn. So he learns in the library. Then we have besucht seine Oma. Oma is grandma. Besuchen is a verb that means to visit. And besuchen again, it's a regular verb, so you can easily like conjugate it. Ich besuche, du besuchst, sie es besucht, ihr besucht, wir besuchen, sie besuchen. So it's easy to conjugate. Besuchen. Kann frühstückt, that means to frühstücken is again a regular verb in German. It means to have breakfast. And least nachrichten. Least least is a third form of lesen, which is a irregular verb. The third form hota hai lesen ka least. So lesen means to read, and nachrichten means messages. The nachrichten means messages. So he reads messages. The nachrichten. The nachrichten. So kann frühstückt und liest nachrichten. Das ist die Nummer 7. So wir haben hier, ich glaube, Nummer 10. Ja, richtig. In Nummer 10, in Babbel Nummer 10, he is eating, breakfasting, and also has his mobile, so it shows that he is reading something. That's why this is. Now. Okay. Now, the second thing comes up, which is an interesting thing here. The question says, one marked canvas. One matlab hota hai when. So one marked canvas. when Khan is making when Khan is doing, you can see here, you have to figure out सबसे पहले वो क्या करता है, then वो क्या करता है, then what, like, so you have to do it like that.